girls are so funny. They can't help taking a selfie, even in the bathroom. Oh, you're here too? Do you have to take a selfie every time you pass a mirror? Why are you doing that? That's so old-fashioned. We will tell you how to take a photo that everyone will like. Turn on panorama mode. First, place your friend with her back facing the mirror. Then, ask her to turn and look in it. At the same time, move the camera smoothly and slowly. What did we get? Oh, look! Your reflection looks like it's living in its own life. Can you take a picture of me like that too? Have fun in front of the mirror and take even more interesting pictures. My friend is doing yoga. She definitely needs to put that on her Insta story. Take a photo of an asana. But we also have an idea for paired asanas. Stand by the wall and raise your hand up. Bend your leg at the knee, resting the foot on the knee. Join the palms. Elbows, palms, knees. Got it? Next, turn your back to the camera. Kneel down. Put your hands together like this and join your palms above your heads. These photos will look even better outdoors. These yoga pictures will get a lot of attention. In this heat, you better not go outside without an umbrella. You can use the umbrella not only for protection, but also for beautiful pictures. Climb on a stone with an umbrella, run, and jump from the stone. At the same time, lift your umbrella over your head. Take a photo in mid-air. If you take the picture at the highest point of the jump, you'll get a Mary Poppins-inspired picture. Very beautiful! When will you understand that regular selfies aren't trendy anymore? Thank goodness you've got me! Your friend is happy to help and bring some props. What is this? Your thesis and a party popper? Don't be silly! This is a folder and a colored smoke torch. In other words, a guarantee of hundreds of likes on your new photo. Insert the torch in the rings of the folder. Light the wick. Just choose the best angle for making the colorful smoke look as impressive as possible. No matter how beautiful a landscape is, a bright cloud of smoke will make it even more interesting and colorful. Honestly, the hardest part will be choosing the best picture out of all of these. What kind of vacation can go without photos from the beach? Oh, what did I step on? Glasses! More precisely, they were glasses in a past life, and now it's just a frame. Wow, that's a good idea for a picture! Put the rim on the sand and lay down a little further away. Place the phone near the frame and take a photo. Choose an angle so that your friends look out of their lenses. Another idea for your collection of beach photos. When two friends meet with a mirror and a phone, incredible things can happen. Put a mirror on the floor next to your friend. Leave your friend's sneakers in the shot. Focus on the reflection in the mirror. The model can look in a mirror, reach out to her reflection, or just look off to the side. You can use whatever perspective you want, just as long as you like it. A little inspiration, and to create a photo is ready. Can't find a background for a good photo? During the summer, that's not an issue, because greenery is becoming the most popular background for pictures. But boring pictures that all look like a photo taken in front of a carpet are not what we need at all. Dig deeper into the leaves, and now the juicy green leaves will make you look completely immersed. Just don't forget to shake it off after the photo shoot. There's a lot of dust on leaves by the road. If reading without glasses is hard for you, a magnifying glass comes to the rescue. But the magnifier works on more than just books. Point it on the subject and contemplate the world in macro mode. Actually, your eyes will also increase. A perfect reason for a photo shoot. And how will you treat your followers? Enlarge super eyes or Miss Big Lips. It looks very funny. And for the next idea, you will need an LED strip on a long base. Look what you can do! Get behind your friend, turn on the lights, and draw a wide circle. Choose a long shutter speed on the camera. You will get an incredible light background. You can move the light smoothly or in waves. The effect is cosmic. There's no such thing as too many good pictures, and you can use any opportunity to surprise your friends with unusual pictures. What are you going to eat? This is a whole piece of art, and I have big plans for it. For this idea, you need a big hamburger. Next, take 2 tripods and a skein of fishing line. Wrap the supports with the fishing line. You should get several tiers of transparent strings. Place the ingredients on the fishing line. First, put the bread and place the meat a little higher. Place lettuce on the 3rd line. Then a paprika circle and the 2nd slice of bread. Take a photo with a hamburger floating in the air. Separated food? That sounds good! Food creativity will keep your followers interested in your feed. Your friends make for the best paparazzi. Look here and say cheese. The results of this photo shoot don't look so great. Why are my legs so stocky? She's clearly unhappy with your photography skills. Here's a life hack for more flattering photos. Cross your legs. Hold the hanging part with your hand and press it down with the 2nd leg. Choose a good angle and take a photo. Well, this is way better! The legs turned out perfect! Is there anyone on Earth who doesn't like bubbles? A photo shoot with rainbow bubbles is a great way to have fun and get bright, unusual selfies. But we have an even better idea. Put your friend in front of a black fabric background. Fill the space with soap bubbles with smoke. Bursting bubbles turn into light, smoky clouds. Spectacular! And for the next idea, you will need a mirror and lighter fluid. Apply the fluid around the perimeter of the mirror. Don't cover the side closer to you with it. Take a lighter and light it up in a few places. A light chain will spread across the mirror and create a beautiful flickering effect. Choose a mysterious look and sit down in front of the mirror. Turn down the overhead light and arrange candles around the room. Before taking the picture, make sure that the reflection in the mirror fits in the shot. Are you ready to get to know your fiery twin? Please be careful, and don't do this without help from an adult. Here's another summer idea, a photo with balloons. But there's water inside of our balloons instead of air. Squeeze the balloon firmly with your hands so that it bursts and the contents splash out. So you don't miss the best moment, take a video. This splashy photo shoot will make your Instagram look better. But it might get your shirt wet. It's exactly what you need in the summer heat. Every girl should have a small mirror. You can check your makeup on the run or put some lipstick on in any place and at any time. But something horrible happens. The mirror falls and breaks into small pieces. Apparently, looking in a broken mirror is bad luck, but nobody ever said anything about taking pictures. For this idea, you need a piece of a medium-sized mirror and double-sided tape. Fasten a piece of tape to the middle of your hand. Glue the mirror. Look in the mirror and take a photo. The main thing is to capture your reflection in the shot. Actually, you can use this to do makeup one eye at a time. Very convenient, right? Did you like our photo ideas? Let us know in the comments about which ones you'll try out on your Instagram. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell to be the first to watch all the latest and most interesting things on Troom Select.